David, do you remember the first day you came to my mother's house?
How can I forget?
You were so nervous.
I was not nervous.
You were shaking.
How to create AI movies that looks real like this and make money by posting them in all social media platforms. This is my Facebook account. This is my TikTok account. I have made money from just posting AI videos. You can go check them out. I got monetized on TikTok in less than 2 weeks, and I got monetized on Facebook in less than a month. Got over 10,000 followers in less than 2 weeks. You can see it there. I'm going to teach you how to get your account monetized too by just posting AI movies without showing your face, what to do and what not to do, which is why you should subscribe to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I teach everything AI creation and how to make money online. Let's head straight to the business of the day. When creating AI movies, the first step is your story. Your story must be relatable, easy to understand and simple. If not, when it's boring, nobody will want to watch. If you are a writer, you can easily write your story, but if you're not a writer, you can go to ChatGPT. This is what you tell ChatGPT: act like a director, the filmmaker, and a film producer, and give me 10 amazing titles. Then click send. ChatGPT will do its work and give you the 10 amazing titles. You can see the 10 amazing titles that ChatGPT have given me now. I prefer number 10. Now you tell ChatGPT, I prefer number 10. Develop it into a full story for me with dialogue scene. I want this interesting. I want this emotional and suspense filled. Also use simple terms. Use layman language that even an 8-year-old can easily understand. ChatGPT have answered me. See my main character, see my opening scene. Now we have our story, we have our prompt. Step 3 is to generate your images. I want my characters to have the same face. I want my images to stay consistent. That is, I don't want Ngozi to be fair in scene 1 but be dark in scene 2, or Ngozi should have a different face in scene 1 and a different face in scene 2. So this is what I'm going to tell ChatGPT so that ChatGPT can make my characters consistent. Write image prompts to cover everything in this story. Now, first off, I want my images to stay consistent and I want the outfit of everybody to be included in the prompt. If you don't prompt it like this, then everything is going to go wrong. As you can see, ChatGPT have given me my answers. As we requested to generate our image, you can use Grok, Flow AI, and so many other image generators. But for our new creators, the free video generator you can use is VEO3. I've done a step-by-step tutorial on how you can use it. It's the second video on my YouTube channel. You can go back there and watch it. We are using Grok for this one. We will go back to ChatGPT and copy the image prompt that ChatGPT have already generated for us. You paste it in your image generator and click generate, and you can see, boom, Grok have generated our image for us. Grok generated 4 images, so you pick the one you prefer, and this is the one that I prefer. Head back to ChatGPT and copy the image prompt of the next person and paste it in your image generator and click generate, and Grok will generate the next image for us. You can see the first image and now you can see the second image. You are going to do it for all characters. That's your reference image. We will use our reference images to get our scene by scene images. We have these. Now we'll head back to ChatGPT to generate our scene by scene images. We are just finished generating our reference images. Starting with scene 1, it says outside the house. Make sure you read your prompts. Take note of your characters. In this scene, we have 2 characters. Your first scene is saying people are outside the house. Now you want your image generator to generate outside the house with the people that are sitting outside the house. So this is what you are going to do. From your scene, you will know the people that are sitting outside the house. So go back to your gallery and put the images. You can see this boy and this girl are sitting outside the house. So you impute it 1, 2, and then you head back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt in scene 1 that ChatGPT have already generated for you and paste it there, and then wait for it to load, and boom, you can see that the first character and the second character's face did not change. They are just sitting outside the house, just like our scene 1 is stating. Now your image generator have generated the compound where they are sitting and then put them in the compound, just like your scene 1 is saying they are sitting outside the house. Now we have our image scene. You do that scene by scene. For our new creators, you can upload part 1, part 2, so you must not create everything at once so that it will not be too much on you. The next step is to generate your images to your video. We are going to use Grok for the purpose of this tutorial, but you can use free video generators like VO3. VO3 generates videos for free too. The step-by-step tutorial, you know where to find it. It's on my YouTube channel. The next step, you are using Grok. You click the plus sign to take you to your gallery. Input the pictures that are in scene 1. Make sure you read your scenes carefully. You just click on the image and add image and go back to ChatGPT and copy the dialogue and paste it in your Grok and then click generate and then boom!
David, do you remember the first day you came to my mother's house?
How can I forget?
You were so nervous.
I was not nervous.
You were shaking.
You do it step by step for every scene until you are done. Once you are done, you head over to CapCut and edit step by step how you want them to converse. If you don't want them to talk slowly, you can hit the speed button. I'm going to do a step-by-step tutorial on how you can edit for those of you that don't know how to edit using CapCut. We are making money in 2026. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so you won't miss out on anything. Level up. Bye and thanks for watching.